got it? Okay, I'm going to try and stand up.
No, not here.
Why?
It's not deep enough.
Too shallow? Okay. Okay. Hands and knees. Okay. Bending. Are you holding it still? What is it? Somebody biting you? Shit. Well, I just want to see.
There's quite a bit of rock here.
Yeah.
Where are we?
Straight out. Where'd you go get your surfboard?
Get up there, huh?
Or you get up here.
You haven't even tried it yet.
Okay. This ought to be interesting.
Now, do you know where the center of the board is?
I believe I do. Because they would conveniently put a little handle there for me. Hang on. Jeez, that's wide. I can't.
Yeah, I should have been more on the camera.
This is a view no one needs to see. Oh, let's try knees. Like he said in the video, let's try knees. Yeah, whatever. Hey, stranger! Oh yeah, I like this way better than surfing. Way better! Look at how dry I am. Are you still getting those sparky things? Come back here. He's right. Jump away from the board. Yeah. Yep, a little bit, but not bad. Let me try it just by myself here, see if I can do this whole thing. I bet I do. What? Where's my hat? Got it. Okay, I did it. Oh. Are we in a sea of them?
A line of them.
I'm not going to stick around. Yep. Fuck. Well, they sting, Brad. Yeah. Definitely. Oh. Get on the board. Oh, shit. They're everywhere. Ow. Hang on. Let's see if they're still. Damn it. Is it still in there?
I don't see anything. They feel like little mosquito bites.
No, they feel like electrical shock. That's what they feel like. Those were like the tiniest jellyfish I've ever seen. And they were brown. Here comes a line of them, you say? It's a good thing I had this shirt on. Or it would have been better, because it was just lifted up just right there. Or it would have been worse, I mean. that is obviously not your sweet spot. Oh my God, look at the stings.
On me?
Yeah.
Where?
You don't see those red marks on you? Here. Here, 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 here. Here you go. Brad, they're right there. In a bad way.